My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Interiorz. This extension is described by its authors as a helpful tool that can help you make your dream home a reality. But in reality, this extension actually operates as a browser hijacker. It changes the default homepage, search engine, and new tab settings. It changes the search engine specifically without user's permission. When you submit some search queries, you get the results by unwanted search engines not chosen by you initially. Sometimes your browser may actually operate in a very slow manner, and you may not see any results at all because of this extension. So you need to get rid of it. Access the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Disable and remove this extension to fix your browser. Also, we recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.